In this video, we will understand Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law, named after the French physicist Charles Augustin de Coulomb. This principle describes the force between electrically charged objects and plays a crucial role in understanding the behavior of electrically charged particles. Coulomb's law can be defined as follows. The force between two charged particles is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This can be represented as where F is the electrostatic force, K is Coulomb's law constant, Q1 and Q2 are the charges, and R is the distance. Now, let's understand in details. Electric charge is a property of materials that causes them to exert a force on other bodies. Charges come in two types, positive and negative. Each charge produces electric field lines, with positive charges having outward lines and negative charges having inward lines. When we bring two charges close together, they exert a force on each other. According to Coulomb's law, the force between them is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. In simpler terms, if we increase the charge, the force also increases, and if we increase the distance, the force decreases. Charges of the same type repel each other, repulsive force, while charges of opposite types attract each other, attractive force. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.